Welcome to my villa. There's a sweet secret waiting for you here. Dun dun dun. This is a white rabbit sculpture we customized for the villa. Are you ready to get lost in this sweet world of art? This sculpture looks like it jumped out of a fairy tale. The beautiful natural scenery and the white rabbit sculpture together constitute this dreamlike wonderland, leading everyone into a dreamy adventure. Come and take photos with the bunnies and experience this sweet and lovely world for yourself. The sound of camera shutters and laughter came one after another, capturing countless beautiful moments. This white rabbit sculpture is not only coveted, it is also a masterpiece of art. From its big round eyes to its long ears, every inch is full of the creator's imagination. It perfectly combines deliciousness with art.